Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Now in today's video, magluto taog. We're going to cook the Y-bone steak. Y-bone steak. Okay, so join me while I'll be preparing and cooking this steak. Okay, so I already defrosted this one. So the thing that we're going to get would be get the pan or prepare the pan. So it's here. It's already ready. So we're gonna slice the onion, guys. We'll just use one. Maybe this one will do. We'll just the bigger one. This one. Then we're gonna cut it in such a way that I'm looking for a simple knife. For a moment. I think this one will do. Nice. Maybe this one. I already washed my hands, by the way, so yesterday, I guess. So after this, we'll prepare the oil. So this is just a very simple recipe. I think this is enough. Take a look at this one, guys. Okay, so these are onions. Okay, now we're going to turn on our oven. Stove. So it's here. Okay, and we need to turn on the exhaust fan too. Maybe we'll use the two. Okay, the light. So we got that light. We already mixed the oil. Need some oil. Okay, so these are our ingredients, guys. We will place first the onions. Kasi butang ang onions. We'll wait until golden brown. This is already golden brown. Ready to na natin na siya. Okay, so ready na. We're setting our pan. the steak. So we added oil. So this one. We'll just fry it a little. By the way guys, atong ingredients, we have the soy sauce, salt, then we also have this one. Actually, this is a mixture of table salt and black pepper. We'll place it a little later. Our steak. Okay. We'll already heat it up guys. Ayan na ito gamayng water. Just a little bit of water. Para maluto din siya. So, sa siya. Tagdaan guys. So, it will be cooked. So, look at our white bone steak. Rice steak. Magaling mo. So let's wait until it's cooked. Okay, finally the white bone steak is now cooked guys. Okay, so we will try this if it's tasty. So atong salayan guys kung lamit ba. Ang naloto ra ba? Very soft. Perfect. Thank you so much guys for watching and continue supporting my channel. Bye!